Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ruthie Pius. Please subscribe and like. Once again, you're welcome. So today we're gonna be talking about the eyebrow. Yeah. The first thing we're gonna be doing, you're gonna be brushing your eyebrow. Yeah. Then afterwards, you take a straight line from down parts of your eyebrow to the end parts of your brow, just like what I'm having right here. And for the top, you take like half-inch backward and draw a straight line backwards and draw it till it meets the sorry, yeah, you draw it to meet the line for the down part. And for the curves, you have to be careful so you don't go over the arc you're having right there. You just have to be careful when you're drawing that part. So after you have a strike, give it a strike 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number, or you can just basically just draw a strike through the brows. It doesn't really matter, just anyhow you like it or you feel it. Either way, sometimes I feel it and sometimes I just give it a full strike, just like what I did. And yeah, so after this I'm gonna be brushing through both brows, and yeah, that's it. So I'll be using my pro concealer to highlight my brows. And yeah, so I'll be starting from the down part, and I'll be going with a lighter concealer first, just to make it circulate kinda, before going with a thicker one, or with a thicker one. And I go gently when I get to the arc region, the cupped part. Yeah, so I don't mistakenly go into my brows, just like what I'm doing right now. Once I get to the edge part, like the cuff part, the arc region, I just go gently at that point because I don't want to miss the line and go into my brows. And yeah, um, for the top, part, just like I didn't start from the very from the very beginning, at the very point where I started from the bottom, from the down part, I'll be going like the half-inch backward. Yeah, I'll be starting from there first with the lighter concealer before going in with the thicker one and touching the starting point to the arc region, and I'm going with a straight line first before I go with a curve, so I don't miss the line and go into my brows. I'll be doing it gently because I don't want to miss the line and I want a perfect shape. Yeah, just like what I just did. So at that point, you just have to be careful so um you don't give your brows an ugly shape. I don't know if that makes sense. So you don't give it an ugly shape. You just want to make it look natural as possible and just follow your brows, your arc, and yeah, that's all. So with these steps you can achieve your eyebrow and make it look sleek. Yeah, and make it look beautiful just like the one I'm having. And yeah, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope to see you on my next one. Of course, after when you subscribe and you've turned on your notification button so whenever I post a new video you get to see it. This video is based on request, so let me know if you want me to make a video for you. If there's something you don't understand, please always let me know. I reply to all comments and I appreciate a message on any of my social media and on IG, on Facebook, um on WhatsApp. Anyone, I'm always available and I reply. So that's all. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.